I'm AJ.
And I'm Sam, and this is the 11th bucket of Christmas. So for our first item, we go ahead and pull out the nice army green OPT shirt.
Okay.
What size we got? XL. Hopefully it fits.
Looks like we got another shirt.
Hogan.
A Hogan shirt.
Uh-oh. Okay.
Oh, don't do it to him. And what size is it? An extra large.
Is this SKIL Twist 2.0?
Twisty. Let's see what we got next. A little OPT water bottle.
We got the DeWalt koozie.
Then we got the Era hat.
Yacht. You know we have the Diablo oscillating blade.
We got them OPT stickers.
Comes with the bucket.
Oh, of course. Couldn't forget that part.
Can never.
We got wooden blades.
And we've got aluminum blades. We've got the real deal skilsaw. You can cut anything with this.
Absolutely anything.
Anything. Please check out our 12 Buckets of Christmas website, and you can check out our 10% off on Diablo and SKIL. Happy holidays!